Hey y'all, it's Mary. I got the Exclusive Beauty Club. It just comes in a plain box. This is the Ritual bag from the Exclusive Beauty Club. It is a monthly bag. Blue is in and out. I just wanted you to see how well wrapped it is. This is what she looks like. It comes in this bag each month. And that is the box. The box is a little banged up, but I think everything should be okay in there. Hopefully. I am wearing the Ciate London Royal Edition, this palette, and this is what I'm wearing. I usually only use this palette for like a patriotic look. It's not my favorite palette by any means, but it does, it has a couple of pretty colors in there. Here comes Smudge. Come on through, love. Come on through, come on through. And then on my lips, I have Natasha Denona. This is Berry Pop. And this is very beautiful. I love the Natasha Denona lipsticks. They're very creamy. They feel very good on the lips. Are you gonna sit down, love? Sit. So the Exclusive Beauty Club Ritual bag is $38.35 a month. They do give you notice that the charge is coming, so if you want to cancel, you can. I'm not sure if you can skip, but you might be able to do that. You get points when you buy from Exclusive Beauty, and then you can end up with some free products over the time. If you just like one bag, it's $59. If you just want to get a bag, once every so often. And let's see what's in here. They let's see, it says, okay, it's telling us about this bag. This has a $240 value, and it was $38.35. So let's see what's in here. When you go to their website and look for this, they show you a list of all the products. And then you can click on the names, the titles of each line, and see see what you want to know about the products. So you can make your decision if you'd like to have it or not. There's a lot in here. Okay, I'm gonna move that bag out of the way. Smudge is very inquisitive about it. Okay, Libby. What's she doing? What's she doing? He's pushing on me. Okay, y'all. So let's see. All right, let's see. Smudge. He's very warm. I don't know. It's warm. It's warm. It's very hot here. All right, so this particular bag, it says clear, balanced, and hydrated skin starts here. This curated ritual bag features dermatologist recommended essentials designed to help oily and blemish prone skin. There are a few products in here that are for that. So if I was just getting this and didn't have a channel, I wouldn't have gotten this month. I would have skipped. And like I said, I don't know if you can skip. I don't know if you have to cancel and join back in. I'm not real sure about that. But I have a couple of friends that have acne issues, so they will be happy to get these products. Okay, why are you so warm, lovey? So PCA Skin is an excellent product line. This is the facial wash. It says oily / problem. Whoops, bumped you in the face. This is full size. This is $42. It's 7 ounces. It's a gentle yet effective cleanser that removes excess oil, impurities, and makeup while helping reduce congestion and breakouts for a clearer looking complexion. I would think probably anybody could use this, especially in summer. In summer, my skin tends to be my skin isn't really, I don't know. If I have to tell you what my skin is, I would say it's normal. It gets a little dry in winter. I do have a little oil around my nose. He's sitting right on my notes. Come on, lovey. I have to have those notes. So I don't know. I probably could use this, but I would pass this on to somebody. I'm gonna have to move him if he keeps this up. Okay. Anyway, so that's the first product. Second, we have. Oh, that's all right. Hang on. Smudge. I mean, really, he's sitting on everything. I had to move me all. Secondly, we have Filorga. This is fur all over. He sat on him. these samples, deluxe samples of Filorga Optim Eye samples. So the full size would be 15 ml for $64. So this is half the size between the two of these. So this ends up being $32 for $16 each. And that's just if I take the full size amount and divide it, you know. It says a multi-action eye treatment designed to visibly smooth lines, fine lines, reduce puffiness, and minimize the appearance of dark circles for a more refreshed look. These are, in my opinion, perfect size for eye. You don't need a lot of stuff for eyes. You just don't. This kind of, there's no seal. So this just squeezes out just a little bit, enough to dab, which I think is great. And it says, looking to see, contour, oh, it's in a different language, okay. So it's 4 mLs each of these. So 15 mLs is a full size. So this is eight together. So it's about half price, is the way I look at it, okay. Then we have this Biopel, not sure I'm saying that right, Tensage Intensive Serum 40. So this is a card. It does say as seen on Allure, Elle, InStyle, and New Beauty. Those are magazines. Those are all magazines. It opens like this, like a card. It's a vial. Whoops. And this says that it is a concentrated treatment powered by growth factor technology to help improve skin texture, hydration, and overall radiance. So 10 of these in a package is $150. So that would make one of them $15. And let's see if we can get a look at what it looks like here. Okay. It's in the card, and the card has instructions, and then it's in a little cardboard tube that didn't come out of there. But this end has like a little cotton, something holding it in there. So I guess you'll pull that out to use it. So it's a little bit of a thick serum. I'm gonna put it back in here. So this kind of thing, you know, one isn't gonna change your whole life, you know, but if you use one and then you see if you like it, and if you wanna spend $150 to get 10 of them, they do have a lot of sales on Exclusive Beauty website. But it is supposed to help with aging and fine lines, and it shows a before and after picture, that it does help with dryness and lines. Okay, Smudge, if you're coming back up, you must behave. That's not easy for him, as we know. Next up, we have Elta MD Skincare UV Clear Blemish Pro and Oil Balancing. This is a broad spectrum SPF. They do like Elta MD in this bag, which is it's a great product line. Okay, what are you smelling? This is $49 value. It is a full size. It's a lightweight sunscreen specifically formulated for oily and acne-prone skin that provides broad spectrum protection while helping visibly reduce shine and support a clearer complexion. $49, 1.7 ounces, 48 grams. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, Smudge, goodness gracious. Just rub it all on me. I love this kind of pump. Great, easy to use. Very nice pump. Very, very nice. That is great. Like I said, I do have friends that will like this. And, you know, honestly, when it comes to SPF, if you're at the beach or if you're at a pool, this would be just fine, no matter what kind of skin you have, I do believe. Okay. Then we have Smudge. He's really messing me up. You're really messing me up. We have a couple of more products here. I don't even know what goes anymore. There's this I'm calling this a bonus. Please sit down. This is the on-the-go mini insulated bottle for hydration. It's a $20 value. It is an Exclusive Beauty little product from them. Oh gosh, it's adorable. This comes in black or white. Everybody got white, but it does, if you look at their website, there's also for black. It has this silicone bottom, so it's not, if you put it down, it's not gonna slide. It's just 6 ounces to hold your water, so you can throw that in your bag. You know, if you're going to the gym, it's nice insulated. It says that it'll keep, I have some notes about it. It keeps your drink, it's 6.7 ounces of your favorite beverage, keeps it icy cold for up to 12 hours. Also can keep it warm if you have coffee in there. So, you know, nice if you are going somewhere and you need, you know, some water or something for later. But there's that's their logo, and it says Exclusive Beauty Club. That's a $20 value. Okay, smudge. And we have a couple of more things, if I can find them. Sit down on them again? Goodness gracious. Okay, we have this, we've had this brand before. It's Skin Medica. It's a good brand. This is Hydrocollagen HA5. This is a powerful hydrating serum with 5 forms of hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen to visibly plump, smooth, and restore moisture for radiant, younger looking skin. So see, even though there are some acne-prone products in here, there's also products for me. And Skin Medica is really good. I've had some of this HA5. I don't know if that's like a product line or what. Hydrocollagen Hydrator with vegan collagen. $192 value for this. I'm sorry, for the full size. Let me see what this is. Let's see. I don't see it. I usually put down, okay. It's $192 for 1.7 ounces, 50 mLs. This is a mini. This is 0.3 ounces. So this is about a $34 value. There's still a lot in here. This is a great way to try something. I could never pay $192, y'all, but it's nice to get these. And again, a nice pump. Love a pump. And pretty packaging and all, but there's still a good bit in there to try and see if you like it. And you know, if you get this bag every month, then you'll get other products that are like it. That'll be really nice. I'm sorry that Smudge is really messing me up, because he really is. He really is. And then we have, the last product is Sente. This is a dermal repair cream. It is 15 mLs, 0.5 ounces, and that's what she looks like. This is, the full size is, what did I say this was? 15. Okay, the full size is 50 mLs. $167. So this makes this little thing is $50 value, y'all. 50 bucks. This is a deeply nourishing moisturizer formulated with patented heparin sulfate analog technology to calm, hydrate, and strengthen the skin barrier. So if you have any kind of, it says to calm, so that would be good for acne. It says so it deeply nourishes and moisturizes, so I think that would be good for all skin types probably. It is, let's see, I'll put on, it says apply morning and night to clean face or as directed by your skincare professional. So if they tell you something different, treat, all right, it's in different languages. So let's see what the top looks like. Again, a wonderful pump. I love the pumps. They're just so much easier to use. And this feels pretty full. You know, who knows how much is really in there. But something that I definitely would use. And again, can't afford the full size, but it's nice to get, look at these prices that we got. We got full size. We got this adorable bottle. Love it, love it, love it. We got this full size, and we got this full size. So it way more than pays for itself. Where's the front of that? There it is. Way more than pays for itself. And even though this says it's oily problem, gentle cleanser, it's gentle, which is good. And I think that it would be fine for me to use in the summertime. Everybody's skin is different. We got this ampule to try, and we got these little eye creams, which I just think these are fantastic because they're just a great size. Eye cream lasts forever, so you just don't need much. And then we have the Sente and the Skin Medica. And is that all we had? He's on everything, y'all. Thank you so much for seeing what we got here from Exclusive Beauty Club. They charge you on the first of the month. They send you an email a couple days ahead to let you know that the charge is coming. So if you want to make any changes to your account, you can. And then they charge you on the first of the month. I think it's like at midnight when the first happens. And then you get it very quickly. But I got everything at the same time. You know, my Allure came at the same time, something else, a couple other things. So otherwise I would have shown this a few days ago. It comes very early. And it's fast. They're really easy to work with. You get points. I get points, y'all. So I have over 2,000 points now just from getting this bag. When I think I started March, April, May, June, 4 bags. When you first order, I believe it's $50 or something like that you have to spend to get free shipping on your first order. So $38, $35, you have to buy something. So instead of paying the $8.99 shipping, I decided to get something. And then it's sort of like, you know, then you get the shipping for free the first month. If you spend over, I think it's 50, it might be 49, it might be 59. So I went in and bought something that I use, that I could afford, some La Roche-Posay body lotion. I showed it to you when I got it. And then going forward, your second month, etc., is free shipping. Now, see, that's what I don't know. If I took a break, if I skipped a month, which I don't know if you can, I don't see that option in there. It's probably something that I won't ever do. But I don't know then when you come back to it, I would assume they probably want to charge your shipping again, and then until you get back into a pattern. So, I don't see that you can pay ahead. You pay the $38.35 each month. I don't see where you can buy 3 months, 6 months, a year. I don't see that at all in there. I haven't asked them. You can, you know, talk back and forth with them. They have, you know, just like any website, they have that ability. So if you have questions, you can ask them. You can ask me anything. I do have a link below if you sign up under me. I don't know, maybe they give me some points, but I have 2,000 points, and they have a couple of items. When you look and you sign in and you, I forget what they call it, you join, basically. They show it's just one product for 2,000 and then maybe one product for 3,000 or something. So I can wait, or I could order that product. It's a full-size item that they're showing. It does change from time to time. I could order that. I would assume they would send it with my next month. I really don't know because I've never used it yet. But it didn't take me long to get my 2,000 points. So that's really nice. So with what I'm getting and all these fabulous deals I'm already getting, I'm going to get another extra bonus. So something to think about if you love skincare. And now this kind of thing, if you don't have a channel and you love skincare and you don't have people to share it with, because I can also put these kind of things in giveaways, because I know a lot of y'all, if you don't have oily skin, you might have combination skin, or you have grandkids, or you know, people in your life that might use it. I have a few people in my life that might use it, that will use it, that I've given it to them before. So that's what I will do with this most likely, or it may be in a giveaway, we'll see. And for the price of it, you can easily share and still have plenty for yourself. So if I were to share these oily skin items, these full-size items, I still have plenty. I can give an eye cream away and still have these fabulous things. I have this ampule, you know what I mean? So there's still plenty that makes it well worth my $38.35. Again, this particular month, the value is $240. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and help me, help me with this rotten boy. You know, take care and count your blessings. Good to see y'all.